Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply an outline stroke to your text in Figma, a powerful trick that lets you customize each letter for truly creative, unique designs. Whether you're designing a logo, a catchy headline, or just wanting to jazz up your social media posts, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn any text into editable shapes that you can stretch, reshape, and style however you like. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's head over to Figma. If you're already logged in, just open up your project or start a new file. Figma is really user-friendly, but if this is your first time, just take a moment to get your bearings. Don't worry if your workspace looks a little empty right now, we'll fill it up together as we go. Now let's add some text. You'll want to grab the text tool. It's that little T icon in the toolbar, usually top left of your interface. Go ahead and click anywhere on your canvas and just start typing. Maybe try your name or the title of your project, whatever you like. You can adjust the font and size in the right side properties panel, so if you want something bold or playful, go ahead and choose a font that fits your vision. Take your time here, you want your text to look just right before we move on. Okay, with your text in place and looking good, you'll need to select it. You can do this just by clicking on the text box itself. You'll see the bounding box appear around your words. Once it's selected, right-click on your selection. This brings up a big menu with lots of options. Don't let it overwhelm you. You're looking for the outline stroke option. Go ahead and click on that. Sometimes it's a little further down the list, so just scroll until you see it. If outline stroke is grayed out, double-check that you're clicking on a text layer, not a group or something else. Now here where the magic happens. By outlining the stroke, Figma actually converts your text into vector shapes. What does this mean? Instead of it just being editable text, each letter becomes its own individual object, like a separate puzzle piece. You can now click on a letter and drag it around, resize it, or even reshape it however you want. For instance, if you want to make the first letter of a word extra big for emphasis, like they do in magazine headlines, you just select that letter and drag the corner handles to resize. Or maybe you want to give every O in your text a wacky stretched look. You can absolutely do that now. It's a super simple way to add personality to your design, and your text can take on shapes that standard fonts never could. And just like that, you're done. You've gone from regular static text to fully editable, customizable shapes. This technique is fantastic for creating standout titles, turning your font into unique artwork, or even prepping designs for print where you don't want font issues to pop up. If you had any trouble with these steps, or if a menu looked different in your version of Figma, don't stress. Sometimes updates move things around a bit, but the outline stroke feature has been a staple for ages, so it should be right there. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, and if you have any questions or want to share what you've created, drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more design tips and helpful Figma tutorials. Happy creating, and I'll see you in the next video.